Welcome back, guys. So today we will be building a simple AI agent which will respond to our questions using the GPT-4 model, okay, and the LangChain APIs. So without wasting time, let's build this in under 60 seconds. Let's go. So here is a quick example, okay. So we have the 4 steps. That is, the first one is load OpenAI API key from .env file. That is, the const key is equals to process.env. Okay, and then we will create a chat instance, chat OpenAI instance, and this is here. We have used the GPT-4 mini model right now, and then we have passed the key over here, and then we have the third step, that is going to set up the readline interface for user input. This is our Node.js application, that's why we are using the readline interface. Okay, so here readline interface has the standard input and standard output as well, and then we have our chat function. Okay, so the chat function, what it will do is it will ask user the question and get the AI responses. Okay, inside this we have the readline.question. Okay, so there is an ask question function, okay, which will call itself again and again, because it's kind of a recursive kind of a process, okay, where it will just call the readline interface dot question, and when the user input is passed, it will see whether the user has entered quit or anything else. Okay, so if the user enters quit, it will say console.log goodbye and then close the readline interface and it will return back. And then after that, what we have over here is the LLM invoke. Okay, so in this we are going to pass the input which the user has provided directly, and then we will just log the response over here. Okay, and this ask question function is called once in the chat, and after that it is called again and again repeatedly inside the ask question itself. Okay, and then over here we have the process.env, which is whether the OpenAI key is available or not, and then we are going to call the chat function. Okay, so what we did is we just prepared the .env, and then we have prepared the instance and then called the instance inside the chat function itself. Okay, so let's run it and see the output. Okay, so here we have the node basic, and you could see that if I say hi, it will respond me, hello, how are you, how can I assist you today? And then after that, I'll ask the question, what is AI agent? Okay, so that's a lot of a response. Okay, an AI agent is a system software that uses artificial intelligence techniques to perform tasks autonomously and semi-autonomously as well. So this is the response. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.